Best summer 2022 makeup trends you'll be seeing everywhere. Pastel eyeshadow and colorful eyeliner, right this way. Great news for all of you people who don't hate summer. Warm days are coming, and they're ushering in a ton of fun new summer 2022 makeup trends that'll have you looking forward to a heat wave. Yup, gone are the cool toned eyeshadow and burgundy lipsticks of winter makeup. This summer's vibe is all about pastels, bright neons, and dewy highlighted cheekbones that will be all over your Insta in a few months. So whether you'll be putting on a full face for a night at home with your selfie camera, same, or for an actual IRL event, wow, so social, I highly recommend you start practicing these trends now. And if you're not super skilled at drawing on intricate eyeliner or blending multiple shades from an eyeshadow palette, don't worry, because there are plenty of easy looks that any makeup noob can master in 30 minutes or less. Ready for the inspo? Keep scrolling for all the prettiest summer makeup trends that I found just for you. Smudged eyeliner for summer. Want a smoky eye but don't want to deal with blending out black eyeshadow? Try this smudged eyeliner trend this summer, which is way easier to create, since imperfection is part of the look. You'll need your regular black eyeliner, a crayon or pencil will be easiest to smudge, and a short, dense eyeshadow brush to blur and soften the lines as soon as you draw it on. Summery pastel eyeshadow. The best part about pastel hues? You can start wearing them as early as spring, or whenever you want. It's makeup, PPL, and keep it going all the way through summer. Pair your pastel eyeshadow with a neutral lip color and a clear brow wax. The one used here is Patrick Ta Major Brow Shaping Wax, to let the color stand out. Bright eyeshadow for summer. Summer is all about bright colors and contrast, which is exactly what's happening in Kylie Jenner's bright yellow and neon pink eye makeup. Blend yellow eyeshadow across your lid and up your brow bones, then draw pink eyeliner across your lash line, or sweep on a hot pink eyeshadow with a precision eyeshadow brush for a more diffused finish.